Dude, don't touch my truck.
Hello, Clyde Carey here with 49th Freight. As you know, 49th Freight specializes in trucking material from the lower 48 to Alaska. Now, it takes a special kind of truck and a special kind of truck driver to drive from the lower 48 to Alaska. I'm not a truck driver. I am a broker, and I do know a lot. Not an expert, but I do know enough to be dangerous. Ice melting lights mounted to the mosquito guard, probably the trailer eject. Monster truck tires. Ice cutting tires. Truck cranky. Refrigerator boxes. UFO. And enough chains to secure all the freight inside.
Dude, I'm not going to tell you again. I don't know who you are. Don't touch my truck.